ಹಾಯ್ ಹಲೋ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಹೇಮ್ಸ್ ವಿಷನ್. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ಹೌಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಮನ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ನುವ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದು ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ್ ನಗರ್, ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್. ಈ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟಲ್ ಫುಡ್, ಚೈನೀಸ್, ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫುಡ್, ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಈ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ. We visited on the weekend day. The restaurant has a separate non-smoking, smoking floor and the two different floors ಇದೆ, which is based on the different preferences of the client. Now opt ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು non-smoking floor. So later we'll explore the smoking floor. Non-smoking floor, which had a very calm ambience with a pleasant background music, and also there was a live cricket streaming on TV. So we have ordered the food. Drinks ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು Virgin Mojito ಮತ್ತು King Alfonso, which tasted good. There is a good vegetarian options are available. Now starter ali dahiki kebab ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, which was really yummy. I really enjoyed this dahiki kebab. We wanted to try pizza here, so we ordered paneer tikka pizza, which tasted good. ಇಲ್ಲಿ food presentation ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. Coming to the food was very delicious, flavorable and mouth watering. Staffs are friendly and polite. Overall experience was good. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು food ತಿಂದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ we wanted to explore the smoking floor. Smoking area is in the upper floor where we can see interesting wall painting, and also near the balcony area there is a limited seating adranu we can find a beautiful city view. So overall experience ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ there is good vegetarian options are available where we don't find it much in other restaurant. Pricing ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ I felt a little bit higher side ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. Apart from that, it had very great presentation and food taste is really good. Decent ambience, friendly staff, good vegetarian options. It's a best hangout place with friends over a drink. So in case ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ please do let me know in the comment section. I will be really happy to listen from you. ಈ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಟಿಲ್ ದೆನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್, ಬೈ ಬಾಯ್.